Hi everyone, welcome to the first AA podcast for the fall 2021 semester, where we will learn more information on how to navigate the accounting world one asset and liability at a time. My name is Shalom and I'm here with my co-director Emin and Paulina, the executive of operations. Also joining us today is Alek and Linh, who are part of AA's membership team. Today we will be talking about why you should consider joining the Accounting Association here at CSUN and why it will be a benefit for you right now and in the future. With that being said, I would like for the team to introduce themselves. I can start by going first. My name is Shalom. I am currently a pre-accounting major. My graduation date is in May 2023, and I'm currently the co-director of media. My hobbies include designing logos and making small crafts.
Hi, my name is Emin. I'm an information systems major, and I'll be graduating in December 2022. I'm currently co-director of media with Shalom, and I've previously been mentorship director when I joined AA in spring 2020-21, when I was looking to improve my networking skills and meet new friends. My hobbies include computer building and troubleshooting, weightlifting, and astronomy.
Hi, my name is Paulina. My major is professional accountancy. My expected graduation date is going to be December of 2021. I am the executive of operations for AA for fall 2021, where I will be overseeing the marketing and media directorships. I was the student development director in the previous spring semester, and my hobbies include traveling and spontaneous trips. I joined AA in fall 2019 with the hopes of making new friends and networking out in the accounting world, which both I have accomplished thanks to AA.
Now that we have some insight on the team, I would like to introduce our guest speakers, Alek and Linh.
Hi, my name is Alek. I'm double majoring in professional accountancy and financial analysis, and I'm set to graduate in December 2021. I joined AA as a member in fall 2019. Ever since then, I had the opportunity to take on the role of a marketing director in fall 2020 and membership director in spring 2021. After these two directorship positions, I'm honored to become the treasurer for the fall 2021 semester, being trusted with managing CSUN AA's finances and overseeing the membership directorship position. My hobbies include playing soccer, drawing, hiking, and also traveling. As a transfer student, I joined AA in fall 2019 to be more involved on campus and meet new people.
Hi everyone, my name is Linh Mai and my major is pre-accountancy. My graduation date is the spring of 2023. I'm currently the membership director for the fall of 2021. My hobbies include reading, playing my musical instruments, sports, traveling, baking, and hiking. I joined AA last semester to learn more about accounting as well as getting to know my fellow peers.
Thank you for joining us today, guys. Now let's move on to talk about your experience in AA. The purpose of CSUN's Accounting Association is to help students get an opportunity to build their own network, make connections, and most importantly, get help throughout their university process. This can really help students who are transferring to CSUN or students who just switched to the accounting program. So Alek and Linh, could you tell us more about how you found out about this club and your first thoughts about AA when you first heard about it?
I first heard about AA during my first accounting course that I took here at CSUN, Accounting 350. CSUN, AA board members, and Stuart Fried all mentioned how beneficial AA will be throughout our accounting journey and during the recruiting process. This made me interested in joining because I wanted to connect with professionals and familiarize myself with the accounting world. AA was the first club I joined during my first semester at CSUN, and it has helped me in more ways than I had imagined. How about you, Linh?
Well, I found out about AA when I went to meet the clubs during my first year at CSUN. When they told me about the club, I became interested in joining it because as an accountancy major, I thought it would be beneficial to my accounting studies and my future professional career. However, I did not join till last semester as I'm quite a shy person, so sometimes it takes me a little bit of time to try something new.
I agree. I'm also a shy person, so that was one aspect that made me hesitant about joining. Was there anything that made you hesitant about joining, Alek?
I was hesitant at first about joining because I was also a shy individual. There were 150 plus students in my accounting class alone, so it was intimidating to spark a conversation. I broke out of my shell by talking to students in my class and realizing that most students, if not all, were also in my shoes trying to achieve the same goals. Additionally, I knew that being in such an organization would allow me to get out of my comfort zone and help me grow professionally as an individual.
Thank you for sharing. Was there a specific goal you guys had in mind when joining the club, and were you able to fulfill those goals?
Yes, there were several goals I had in mind when joining AA. I want to develop my networking skills and leadership skills, as these are key tools that will be beneficial in my accounting career. I also had the goal of making life-lasting connections and seeking a career in public accounting. I was able to accomplish these goals by attending various networking events and seeking advice from my peers.
My goals when joining the club were to learn more about the accounting field, as well as connecting with business professionals and other accounting peers. I've learned a lot more about accounting from attending AA meetings with firms, and I've met amazing and lovely people from the club through fun AA student activity club meetings. I still, however, would like to accomplish my goal of connecting with more business professionals this semester.
Now I know you guys are now in leadership positions in AA. What do you guys do currently, and what made you apply for this position? How was the process in applying for a position in the AA?
I personally applied for the treasurer position this semester because I was the membership director last semester. It was difficult when deciding to apply for an executive position, but after making careful consideration, I realized that my prior knowledge as a membership director would help me tremendously with this new role, since the treasurer oversees the membership directorship. Although there are several tasks I had experience with, such as designing apparel and organizing a virtual table sitting, the treasurer position also takes on the role of managing CSUN AA's finances, which was something that interested me.
As the membership director, I'm currently in charge of scheduling the membership drive for the upcoming fall semester, along with designing and getting the club apparel out for the next semester. I applied for the position because I wanted to be more involved in this great club and to learn more and expand my experiences. So membership seemed like the best beginning position for me in the club. The process was pretty simple and easy. I sent in an application and resume for a directorship position, and I did an interview afterwards with 2 executives.
That is quite an experience. Reiterating on that, could you tell me some ways that AA has helped or benefited you as a professional and as a student?
Sure, Emin. AA has been very helpful for me ever since I transferred from a community college. As a transferring student, I didn't know many people, and AA helped me meet like-minded individuals who are also pursuing similar goals as me. As a professional, AA has helped me land several internship and full-time offers because of all the professional events and networking events, which I am forever grateful for. AA has been a great organization to be a part of, and it has benefited me as not only a professional and a student, but also as an individual.
I could add on as well. For me, AA has helped me to step out of my comfort bubble and immerse myself into the professional workplace, as well as social skills, by getting to know and working with more people.
Thank you for sharing. Would you say there were some challenges of being in AA?
I would say one great challenge I have faced being in AA was managing school with 18 units, being a part-time lead supervisor at work, being a tax preparer for CSUN VITA, and taking on a directorship role all in the same semester. This was a great challenge for me, but I was able to overcome it, and it benefited me tremendously with my time management skills, as there was no time to waste.
How about you, Lynn?
So far, there are minor challenges I had to go through, such as being able to communicate to the team, as it is sometimes difficult to get everybody on the same page. But in the end, it's important to check in and follow up whenever you need to.
I agree. It's really impressive how you guys were able to overcome these challenges. Now, to finish off, what is the best advice you guys would give to anyone who is thinking about becoming a member?
The best advice I could give to anyone who is thinking of becoming a member is to get to know a wide range of individuals, whether it's students, professionals, or even faculty, and ask as many questions as possible while making some life-lasting relationships. You never know the impact someone can have in your life or future, so try to be involved, whether it's AA, another club, or other student activities that CSUN offers. Additionally, try to attend the professional and networking events because it will build your confidence and help you throughout the recruiting process and interviews.
Those are some good points, Alec. For me, I would like to say to be confident in yourself and to make sure that you do your job, as well as being a team member by having good communication and helping others in the club as well. Most of all, just have fun and enjoy being in this wonderful club.
Thank you, Alec and Lynn. That is really good advice. I'm pretty sure our listeners would appreciate that.
Now the podcast is coming to an end, and I want to thank you again, Alek and Linh, for joining us today and answering questions that gave more insight on how it would be to be a member of AA. and some of the benefits AA had personally given you. I hope this information can help our listeners have some ideas on what AA is about and why they should join as well. Please feel free to contact us with any questions at media@aacsun.org, or you can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Instagram to hear more about upcoming events. We hope you enjoyed today's podcast, and thank you so much for listening to us today.